When you're watching this, I am already gone. Not like that. Let's get into it.
So, as you can see, we are not in my normal setup. We are at Ross's Blaze. Yeah! We'll get into this a little bit later, but taking a little break, and we'll explain that more later. That's a long story. But channel update, what we've been up to. Just got back from Lock and Load. This is being recorded the day that the Paint and Chat went up, and that was super fun to do. I was super happy just to be a part of that. That was like a super crew almost. You looked at that cast line, you're like, everyone here is really good at what they do, minus like me. So Lock and Load was super fun. Got the super heavy, got As Direct to paint when I'm back. Got Death Jack for this idiot. He's got it right here. He's already got this thing primed and ready.
Maybe a video come out while we're out and about, but no promises. We'll see what happens.
Yeah, we're kind of just winging it from now. And then we just finished our trench campaign, which I'll put some pictures of now. That was a fantastic event. You want to talk on that a little bit?
Yeah, let's talk about it. Yeah, so we ran a 6-game campaign, which I think, in my opinion, is the best way to run a Crusade campaign. Trench Crusade campaign. You'd think I'd be good at this, but that's why I'm always in the back. So the 6-game campaign, I think that's like the perfect amount of games. I don't know how you felt about it, but
it was a great intro campaign. I think it's gonna be great to do it again, because if you do 6 games the first time, you learn how your lists work, and then you run it back, you know what to pick to start with, and then you can get those models, the advancements earlier.
Yeah, and it leaves you hungry for more, which is what I really like. Mm-hmm. Like, it's just enough that I want to play more.
Yeah, you want to do it again.
Yeah. It was fun. I love the game. I mean, it's very different from War Machine, but
very different.
What isn't, right? That's what's fun about tabletop games, is each one kind of has a niche of how it feels, how it plays. But it was great. We're probably going to do another one in January. I'm going to be really sad because you won't be there.
Yeah,
but,
it's okay.
You'll be there for the third one. I'll make you play all 6 games in a single day or something.
All right, well, okay. But for the guys who are interested in our Trench Crusade campaign, we will be releasing it in our Discord, the Ashes of Numidia.
Ashes of Numidia, that's the one.
That'll be a 6-week campaign published in our Discord, so join if you haven't. I'll still be floating around there in and out. And then, what else have I been up to?
You've been up to a lot of RuneScape. You've been up to a lot of life stuff.
Yeah, I've been playing just new life stuff. But now I can talk about kind of where I've been. Oh yeah, you have the microphone. Oh god, we're just doing this live because I leave very soon. Yeah, I gotta go away for a little bit. I'm gonna be in and out, and this is very back and forth. I'm gonna start over. So going over, I will be gone for like 5 or 6 months, maybe more, maybe less. I got picked up for this pretty cool work thing that I applied for. It's very much something I wanted. I wanted this for my career and just life. It's going to be a very fun new challenge for me, but it means I have to focus on that solely for a few months. And I've been a little burnt out on hobbying anyway, so it kind of comes at a good time. As always, you should take breaks. Remember to take breaks from the hobby. It's okay. For me, I will be back around the time Fane comes out. I can't promise anything because who knows what life's going to do. But yeah, I'm sad to go, and I'm sad to go right as we hit 800 subscribers. That was an insane, I'm sure right now we're at 795 or something, and it's 5 away, and that is crazy. All of you have watched my channel over the past couple of years. I appreciate you so much. I will be back. I cannot wait to make some more content. Ah!
I will be back very soon, my friends. And soon there will be vampires, and this is very hard to talk in. See y'all later. Bye-bye.